It's Alice here. I've promised some friends to make this video, but I have waited for a while because I'm suffering from winter's fingers. This is how they look like. I've never heard of it before. When my doctor told me that it's winter's fingers, I had to Google it and found out that it is called chilblains in English. I think it will still take some time to heal, so I'm not going to wait anymore. Today we are going to talk about the bags. So please ignore my horrible looking fingers when you watch this video, okay? So let's get started. So here is my new Tonca bag from Polene. New, I mean the new version of the Tonca style. So I really like the sandalwood color and I like the Tonca style from Polene. I have been checking their website for several months and eventually in December, late December, I saw that they have updated the website and I found this sandalwood color. And at the same time, I noticed that there is a difference in the style. On their website, the models were wearing it on the shoulder. So I was thinking that it might be possible to adjust this to a shoulder bag instead of just crossbody. And when I checked the description on their website, yes, it is confirmed that it can be adjusted to a shorter length. So which means that we can now wear it as a short shoulder bag as well as a crossbody bag like the original design. So let me show you how you can actually adjust the straps. There are these little pins here that I can just easily pop open like this and then move this strap all the way. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 holes on one side of the bag where the hardware is that you can adjust if you like it to be a slightly longer shoulder strap like this. I'm going to measure it to show you. So it will be around 40 to 42 centimeters drop length. If you were to put the strap to the last hole available on this side of the bag, if you want it to be even shorter, you just have to pull it, release here a little bit more and move it all the way down to this part. There is still one more hole available to put in the little pin here. It's still a bit tight because it's new. Yeah, so it's in there now, and adjust this to make it even shorter. So this is the shortest you can go. Yes, because between this hole and this hole where the strap is, there is nothing in between. This is the furthest you can go for a shoulder carry bag like this. So this was probably what was shown on the Polene website. So let me measure what is the drop length from here if you're wearing it at the shortest drop. So if you wear it this way, it will be about 30 centimeters. 30 centimeters or close to 12 inches. So this is in fact a very versatile bag, especially when you can adjust it all the way to a short shoulder carry or crossbody. It is very easy to adjust. So I find it very useful this way. I think the easiest way to understand that this is the newer style from the Polene website is by looking at this part of the metal, the hardware part. Because in the old style, it doesn't come with this little adjustment holder, while the new style, it comes with this loop where you can tighten the bag after you adjusted the length that you want. So this is the easiest way to identify which of the styles that you like. The box looks like this. It's a new style box which is slightly different from the old one. So inside the box came with stuffing and a little card, Tonca style, and some maintenance instructions. Of course, it's also came with this wrapping paper. So it's nicely packaged, came with also a very nice dust bag. It's also very soft on the inside. After using this bag for a while now, I can share with you some pros and cons that I personally found when I use this bag. First of all, it's a very lightweight bag. It's a small bag, of course, so don't expect it to fit too much. I have some of my things here that I usually carry with me, some necessities. First of all, I want to show you how heavy it is by itself. So I have this weighing scale. I'm going to show you. So it is 350 grams. So it weighs only 350 grams, which is very, very lightweight for a bag. Now I will show you what can fit inside. So here is how the inside looks like. There is a slip pocket, which is like this. And the inside is lined with velvety, soft microfiber. And in the middle part is the same pebble leather as the exterior of the bag. And this little slip pocket is also made with the same pebble leather as the outside. Let me show you what I usually carry with me. I normally have some plasters and some wipes and also a nail file. These are really my necessities. I carry it all the time with me. So I will put it in this part of the bag because these are slim, small items. And at the same time, I can put my card holder and I put it in here as well. It fits nicely with the other flat items. I have a mint box that I reuse it to put some of my medication that I take with me wherever I go. I put it right at the bottom, and also additional paracetamol pills. And I have a lip gloss like this, and I have a hand cream, and then I'll also put in my phone. This is my phone in a bulky case together with this pop socket wallet where I put additional gift cards here. This is how it fits in there. So the phone fits nicely inside like this. And the only thing that I still keep in pouch is my keys, because I don't like to have keys scratching my bag. So I have my keys, house key, and the key fob for the car in this pouch. It will fit this way. And a pack of tissue. And it all goes in comfortably. So it is, although a small bag, but it can still fit quite a lot. Everything that I need goes in there, and it closes very nicely. So here it is, the bag full of my stuff. So the reason why I like this bag so much is the shape, because I noticed that I have been using the Wanderer bag, this bag. This is the Wanderer belt bag actually. So even though I've been using this all the time, I find it slightly too small to fit everything that I have here. I like this shape so much that I needed to find bags that are with this shape, this curve shape, but in a larger format. So therefore, I chose the Tonca bag, and as well as the Polene Dix, which I received from my husband as a present in December. For the Tonca bag, I was hoping that the entire bag in the sandalwood color would be a dark chocolate brown color, like the cardigan I'm wearing. Look, it is not, except for the strap. Only the strap matches my cardigan, which is dark chocolate. Let me grab some dark chocolate to show you how it looks like. So I have here some Neuhaus chocolate. It is dark chocolate. Dark chocolate should look like this. It matches the strap. So about the magnetic closure, it is a very secure magnetic closure, and as you can see from me trying to open it and putting things in and getting things out is not really very easy. It is very secure, but yet of course it's also a con if you really want to retrieve your items very quickly. So that's all I have to say. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.